We talked about the rise of financial technology and how it's reshaping financial services. Has the technology disruption led financial services firms to rethink their customer and client servicing model?
Yes, I think it's, I think it's more apparent and impactful on, the large publicly traded companies. They're kind of on the leading edge or bleeding edge that we refer to it sometimes, because they, they have the information systems, they can capitalize on it more. And certainly the big four are, have changed their approach on those clients. Even the middle market that we serve, definitely efficiency gains. When I first got in the business 35 years ago, KPMG, secretaries would type tax returns. They would type them on an IBM Selectric. And, we didn't have email. Fax were just starting. This is 1980. So it was a whole different world. We didn't, on corporate tax returns, we would not have direct access through the computer to change numbers and things. We would have to give input sheets to an operator who would punch those in and then give us a draft return that was very skeletal. It wasn't even on all the forms. So it's the, I know 35 years is a long time, but, right now you punch a button and you can rerun a return, 5 times.
In fact, you can do it yourself.
Right, absolutely.
I'm thinking about carbon paper and 3-ply.
Oh, yep, the smell of those carbon papers, right?
Yeah, the technology change is amazing everywhere.
Now, what I will say though, 95% of the technology gains are, absolutely, a blessing to our industry. The negative though, it's the 24/7 insatiable client expectations in some cases, and even partner expectations of staff and things that we're I'm unfortunately I send emails 24/7, and I don't expect everybody to respond, but it's just I have that stream of consciousness. Here's something that we should do, and get back to me when you can. But that puts a lot of pressure on people if they get that on a Friday night. They, without me, if I don't say I don't need this till Monday, they may think that I need an answer right away.
Well, at least they start thinking about it right then.
Yeah, so, again, when I started, 3 to 4 day turnaround was the client expectation, and now it's more like 3 to 4 hours, and the really demanding clients might be 3 or 4 minutes.